Gavin Sayers, a 9-year-old motocross kid who has been riding since he was 4 years old. Gavin would spend every spare hour at the local motocross track as a child, observing the more experienced riders and aspiring to become a professional motocross rider like them. His father was more than ready to teach him everything he knew. Gavin's enthusiasm for motocross only intensified as he aged. His dad invested in the finest equipment and competed in every local race he could. As a result of his diligence and perseverance, he began to win an increasing number of wins. He became one of the best riders in his age group quite fast. Gavin's enthusiasm and commitment to the sport are apparent. He continues to train and compete in amateur races, with his father constantly by his side to provide unwavering support. Gavin's tale is an inspiration for anybody with a desire and the will to follow it. He demonstrates that with diligence and effort, everything is achievable. His mother and sister also played a big role in his racing success. They have been his biggest support on every race, making him to never give up on his dreams. His father has been not only as a coach but also as a friend. They spend countless hours together training for races. They have an unbreakable connection and understanding of each other, which is reflected in the way they communicate.
Last year we did a long go. Yeah, like.
Ready? You like big nose wheelies? What else do you like?